It's important to understand what compositions versus projects are in Descript. Every project has at least one composition, but it can have multiple. It can have dozens if you want. So this is a composition inside of a project called Top 3 Pieces of Gear to Get. You can see that at the top middle. So that's the project name. And then if you click on this down arrow right here, you can see this composition section. And the composition has the same name as the project in this case. But then you can click new composition, and this is where you could add your new composition still inside of the project called Top 3 Pieces of Gear to Get yada, yada, yada. And you could record a different thing in here. You could go back to the original composition, and I already have a section highlighted, so I could just click on that, copy it, go to the other composition, the new one, paste it in. And for example, I can make a social media clip out of this, like a YouTube short. And so that's the most common way that I use compositions is to highlight, paste it into a new composition just like this, and then use that for YouTube Shorts. But there's all sorts of ways you could use this. You might have one composition that is like your draft or your complete unedited version, and then you duplicate it. You can click on these 3 dots right here, click duplicate, and then it automatically becomes called copy of Top 3 Pieces of Gear. And so then I could make this that first one could be my unedited raw version, and then this could be the version that actually gets edited. And then I could also have like a version 2, version 3, etc. So all of these are different ways that you can use compositions in Descript. If you like this one and you want to see a visual breakdown of this, check out this video next where I drawed out project versus compositions versus scenes versus clips on my whiteboard.